Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar SE finished in silver. This 2023 petrol plug-in hybrid comes with a 2-litre P400e engine and is paired of course to an automatic gearbox. The large front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 20-inch 10-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels. This Velar features around 558 litres of usable boot space capacity, which is perfectly practical for everyday life and larger luggage items. There is an adjustable parcel shelf as well as tow suspension, and the boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Stepping into the back, we will find the ebony perfory grained leather seats with the matching ebony interior. These seats do contain isofix points, and there is a fold-down armrest which will reveal 2 exposed cup holders. There is also a rear climate control panel and 2 USB-C ports for the backseat passengers to utilise. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of the same ebony interior and the ebony seats, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and these seats are fully electronically adjustable, which does include lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and hands-free options, and on the right for the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit does have different display layouts to best suit driver preference. This includes 1 and 2 dial as well as map and media options. Taking a look at the main infotainment screen, there is a satellite navigation option which has useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access radio with FM and DAB as well as Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, which do have varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by pressing the camera icon we can bring up the rear view parking camera to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below the infotainment system there is a fold-away pocket which will reveal a storage place for your phone with a charging port. Behind the centre console are 2 exposed cup holders, and the armrest can be lifted up to reveal more storage with a USB-C port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar SE. For more information, please get in touch now.